Hello. Welcome to relevant JavaScript tutorials. In this tutorial, we will know about what is JavaScript, and uses of JavaScript. If you have basic knowledge of any programming language, it will be a plus point. Let's proceed. JavaScript, often shortened to JS, is an interpreted programming language. It is used to create dynamic web pages on client side, as well as in non-browser environments such as Node.js, Apache CouchDB, etc. Dynamic web page on client side means it can shows different content on each page load, and content of this pages can be changed with some actions, without reloading the web page. For example, here in this page, the contents are changed without reloading the page, when we click on Create Account button. A new register form is shown to the user without any page reload. JavaScript was initially used in client-side, but now it is used on both client and server sides. On client-side it means it is used in web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, etc. On server side, it means it is used in non-browser environments such as Node.js. Non-browser environments means the code is working in an environment that is not a web browser. It can be used to access to databases, file systems, and for creating servers. In web pages, JavaScript can be used to create validation in input boxes like this. Changing look and feel of page, without reloading it. Changing page content like this. Creating animation on pages like this. Calculating some values like this. And sending data to server like this. As a ending note, if you are a beginner and heard about Java programming language, then remember that JavaScript and Java are different programming languages. Thank you. Like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more new videos of JavaScript.